Hello everyone, I am Dr. GVL Prasad, Assistant Professor, Automobile Engineering Department, VNR VJIT. Today I will show you construction of a hyperbola using a AutoCAD. Okay, let's go to the various methods of hyperbola. Okay, so hyperbola can be constructed by general or eccentricity method if eccentricity is given. Hyperbola also constructed by using the asymptotes method, orthogonal asymptotes method and oblique asymptotes method. First I will show you construction of hyperbola by general or eccentricity method. Okay, so problem, I am reading the problem. Draw a hyperbola when the distance of its focus from its directrix is 50 mm and eccentricity is 3/2. Also draw a tangent and normal to the hyperbola at a point 25 mm from the directrix. Okay, so I'll go to the AutoCAD window next. So this is the AutoCAD window. First of all, you have to set the units. Okay, so generally we will set it to millimeters. Default it will be there in the inches. You set it to millimeters and then set the limits, LIMITS limits. So 0, 0, 594, 420. Okay, right. So then let's draw a border. So border also same size, 0, 0 at the rate 594, 420. Okay, so I have drawn the border also. Okay, so the problem is distance of the focus from the directrix is 50 mm. First of all, draw any vertical line while drawing a line ortho on any vertical line as a directrix. Okay, take the line command and draw any vertical line, let us say 150 mm. Draw a vertical line AB as a directrix. Okay, if you want you can keep the text. Okay, so AB, I'll show you. I'll take a multi-line text and then okay, AB. Okay, so copy. Copy. This is B, later on you can edit it. Okay, right. So then take a line command again. So again take a line command from the midpoint of this vertical line, from the midpoint of this, draw 50 mm line, 50, because distance of the focus from the directrix is given 50 mm. Okay, so let's divide this 50 mm into 5 equal parts because eccentricity is given 3/2. So 3 plus 2, 5 parts. Okay, so for this use the command divide. Okay, select the object line and then let us divide it into number of segments 5. Okay, done. Okay, so now we are not seeing a point, so you have to set the DDP type, DDP type. So select this because default it will be there a dot, you will not see. Select this point, size 5. Okay, so set it to absolute units, then say okay. So now you are able to see the thing. Okay, so now the end point is the F, so you have to keep F in a different color. Let us say take a green color and type point. Okay, right, so this is F. Okay, so if you want you can keep copy. This is F. Okay. From the third division, from here, from the third, it is keep it as a vertex point. This is the V and this is the F. Okay, vertex. So this is F and this is T, V. From third V. Okay, vertex. Okay. Now let us draw VE. Okay. VE. VE equal to VF, that is 30 mm. VE. So change the color. Okay. So if you want, you can keep this as a F. This is F. Sorry, C. This is C. Okay. Right. V equal to VF. So now take another line command and join VE. Okay. VE. Exactly. Okay. Mark this as a VE. We remember V equal to VF. VE. Okay. So now what you can do is, so from V onwards, draw a vertical lines 15 mm from V. Okay. Before that, you extend this V, the CF line. Select the line and lengthen. Okay. You lengthen it some distance. Okay. Right. So next, so go to offset. So this vertical line VE 15 mm offset. Let us 5 lines up 15 mm. Just click here like this. You offset. Exactly, you got here. Okay, no problem. One, two, three, four, five. Enough. Okay. So then extend this C line. Lengthen. Extend this C line actually. Okay. So up to this much. So you can whole thing you can copy because it is going out of the border. So you can move it to middle. You can move it to middle. Okay. Right. So then these lines extended to V extension. You have to extend these lines. Go to extend. You extend it. Sorry, extend. This is the extend command. Extend it. 5 or 6 you can take, no problem. 5 is enough actually. So next, you give the numbering to this one. Yeah, initially it is a little big. You give a different size for this. 3 is enough, I think. Yeah. Let's keep this as a 1. Little bit you move it so that it will be exactly. Yeah. Okay. So then copy and then copy this one and place here. It's okay. It's F same coinciding actually. So okay, no problem. This is 2, this is 3, 4 and 5. You edit now. Okay, this is 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, right. Same way you can do one more thing. You can copy this one. You can copy and place here 1, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash. Okay, right. So you edit it. This is 1 dash, double click, first of 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. Okay, right. So done. So now the next step is, so 1 dash as radius, okay, F as a center, you have to cut the 1 dash line. Same 2 dash, 3 dash, like this. But what I do is, I'll take an arc command, center, okay, 1 as a center and 1 dash as radius, 1 at the center and 1 dash as a radius, and I will draw arc. So then 1 is not center actually, F is the center. I'll shift the center from F to, sorry, 1 to F. Okay, right. So and then select the arc and then lengthen. Okay, lengthen, and here why I did like this is, if you measure 1 dash, okay, so you may get some fraction and all, so that measuring and entering you may do errors. That's why. So actually the procedure is 1 dash radius, F center, and you have to cut the 1 dash line. That is the procedure actually. But what I did, I took arc and 1 as a center and 1 dash as radius. After that I shifted center to F. Same way I will do for this also. Anyway here no problem. F is the center, I need not shift here. I need not measure. Okay, right. So anyway I'll exactly, okay, sorry. I did a mistake. Arc, center, okay, no problem. Then again center, 3 dash as radius. Okay, right. Only thing you need little patience. Procedure is same. Earlier we did parabola, hyperbola and all. Same procedure. Only thing is we have to do with a little patience because it is little big. you draw arc little big so that it will be easy for you. Lengthen up to 3. Okay, right, undane, no problem. Next to arc center, 4 dashes radius. Okay, again center, right. So arcs, drawing of arcs is completed. Okay, next thing, wherever these arcs are intersecting the lines, keep a points over there. Here one point, here one more point, here exactly one more point, here one point. Okay, right. So now we need a points either side also. You need a below also. So for this, what I can do, I will go to mirror and I will do mirror. Okay, so mirror, select the points, select all these points. Okay, after selecting all these points, right click and then give a mirror line, horizontal line, any 2 points in the axis. Okay, right, any 2 points and then enter. No. Okay, so you got the points. So now you have to complete by using the spline. Okay, take a spline command and starting from here, passing through V, starting point. You have to connect V. It should pass through the V. V is the vertex point, should pass through V. You can use Control Z. If you miss any point, you can use Control Z to get back. Right. Okay. So after completing, take arc though and show it's somewhere it horizontal or vertical, then enter. So that parabola. So to make it highlight, so give some thickness to this line weight, apply line weight. Apply line weight here. You have to apply line weight so that it will be highlight. So hyperbola is drawn actually. So but you have to draw tangent and normal also. In the problem he has given the draw a tangent and normal at a point 25 mm away from the directrix. Okay, so 25 mm away from the directrix and the point should be on the hyperbola. For that point you have to draw tangent and normal. For this, go to offset, offset the directrix line by 20 mm. 25 mm, sorry, 25 mm is the offset. Okay, right. Yeah. So I'll take from here. Okay, this side. Okay, I'll use a different color for this. POINT point. I will take this point. Wherever it is intersecting, I have to keep. Okay, right. So next the procedure is, so this is P, let us say P. If you want, you can copy and keep it as P, ortho of. Okay, right. This is P. Okay, right. So you have to join P and F. Okay, take a line command, join P and F. Next, draw a perpendicular line to PF, so that that line will meet directrix at some point. Okay, so how to draw perpendicular line to PF? For this, go to OSNAP settings here. Go to OSNAP settings, clear all, select only perpendicular option, then OK. Then take line command. Okay, line command. So draw a line. First of all, draw a line. Okay. Then next, again go to OSNAP settings. OSNAP settings again. Select all. Okay. Then say OK. OSNAP should be on. Okay. Next, go to move. Pick this line and keep at F. Keep at F. So that it is now perpendicular. Okay. Now perpendicular and passing through AB. So now let us join. So this point and okay, P, okay, and extend it. So this is tangent touching the curve. So perpendicular to this normal is the tangent. How to draw perpendicular to this tangent? Go to OSNAP settings again. Okay. So clear all, only perpendicular option. Then take a line command. So okay, click here and then draw a perpendicular line. Okay, finish it. And then again go to OSNAP settings. Select all. Okay, then okay. So then again go to move and take this and pick the midpoint and then place at P, so that this is the normal. Now this normal and tangent should be highlighted. Select these two. Okay, select these two and apply line weight. So go to properties and apply line weight. Done. Okay. So this is how you can draw tangent and normal. If you want, you can keep a dimension, only one thing, linear. So the distance between the focus and the directrix is 50 mm. This one you have to keep a dimension actually. Okay. And it's look clumsy, not clear properly. So for this, again go to dimension style and modify and prime arrows and symbols. You give arrows and symbols 5 and text height 5. Don't change anything, only this one. Primary units, precision 0.0. Okay, then say okay. Now you are able to see the 50 mm. Okay, this is how you can draw a hyperbola by using a general method. Okay, right. So next video I will show you asymptotes method. Thank you.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe VNR Digital Learning Resource YouTube channel.